In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Notion database with and without its content. We'll walk through this together on screen so you can follow along in your own workspace. By the end, you'll know how to quickly create a copy of an existing database, either keeping all the entries exactly as they are or starting fresh with just the structure. First, open Notion and navigate to the database you want to copy. This might be a tasks board, a content calendar, a CRM, or any other database you've already set up. Make sure you're on the main database view, not inside a single item. This ensures you're duplicating the entire database, not just a page within it. Next, move your mouse over the top right area of the database where the Options menu appears. You'll see a small menu icon or a drop-down near the database title. Click on the highlighted menu option that opens the database settings and actions. This is where Notion keeps tools like sorting, filtering, and, importantly for us, duplicating. From this menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate with Content. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is create a full copy of your database, including every row, every entry, and all the data inside. This is perfect if you want a backup or if you're using an existing database as a template for a new project and you'd like all the current items to come along. Once you click it, you'll see a small message or indicator that the page is duplicating. Depending on the size of your database, this might take a moment. Just give it a little time and let Notion finish the process. When it's done, you'll see a new database appear in your sidebar or in the same workspace, usually with the same name plus the word copy. Now let's look at how to duplicate the database without any of its content. Again, open the same Options menu on the database. Click on the highlighted menu area, just like before, to bring up the list of actions. This time, instead of choosing Duplicate with Content, select Duplicate without Content. This creates a clean version of your database that keeps all your properties, views, filters, and layout, but removes all the actual entries. It's ideal for turning a working database into a reusable template so you can start new projects with the same structure without having to delete old data. And that's it. You now know how to duplicate any Notion database, either fully populated or completely empty, using just a couple of clicks.